Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Crystal's channel for the love of luxury. We have a very special unboxing today. It's a birthday bag that I actually got before I came on holiday, so it's a bit difficult to unbox, guys, sorry, with one hand. And you won't believe that I actually just did the unboxing but forgot to press the record button. So I wanted to do a special one because obviously it's so incredibly beautiful here at Anatara, here in the Maldives. You know, it's the most perfect watercolor turquoise and the white sand beach, and a little special surprise. So I've already did right now an unwrapping and wanted to reveal this special bag so I can always remember this incredible piece that I waited some time for. I wanted the bigger one, not the mini. So this one you could actually put a wallet and a cell phone in. It is amazing, guys. So I'll sit down and open it, but you can really see the color, right? This is the caviar leather, pink. The Cruise 21, 22 that everybody wanted. Even though this is a really trendy bag, it's actually one trendy bag that I would like to have. I definitely don't like to always get trendy bags because that's not my thing, but this one is so cute, and I know my daughter one day will absolutely love it. So look at that pretty pink. It's so amazing. So let's just sit down here in my cute little cabana. I will open that up for you to show you guys how much space is inside. I'm doubting a lot stuffed. Okay. What does it come with? Okay, so it's definitely not got a lot in there. I'm just looking, where now did they put, so it's got the leather, made in France, this one, thank goodness, not in Italy. And let's see, got the dust bag. Okay, care instructions. The only thing, and I'm gonna have to message my SA in Dubai, unless it's in here. Did they put it in here? It's actually missing the authenticity card, which is very strange because it's always inside, usually the inside pocket. So obviously when my girl was wrapping it, she did not include it. So I'm gonna have to go see her about that, because I definitely, guys, when you are paying this money for these pieces, always make sure you have an authenticity card with them. That's not something I cared so much about 10 years ago when I was buying these bags, but just now, obviously, because they are so costly. I mean, even this little piece, you could have usually got even two jumbos maybe 5 years ago, right? The price of them has gone up so much. So yes, anyways, guys, I hope you love it. It's a quick video, and hi guys. Okay. Sorry, my pool guys, we're here to clean the pool, but I have a terrible allergy too right now. That's definitely not a positive. So that's one thing I don't like, but the color is incredible, and yeah, I love it. I think it's so cute, right? I'll even take, guys, the sticker off so you can just see. I don't know if you guys have any questions. Obviously it looks darker. If I just bring it out here into the light, you will see this incredible pink. It's a perfect pink, actually. I loved it. It's even prettier than what I thought it was in the store because the lighting was a bit dark when I went and looked at it for 2 seconds. But for sure, love this pink. I would love a lambskin in this pink. That would be amazing. But not much else to say, guys. It's just the heart bag for the Cruise 21, 22 show. And yeah, it's now in my collection. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.